In today's video, I will walk you through how to track Bitcoin dominance on CoinMarketCap. To track Bitcoin dominance on CoinMarketCap, start by accessing the CoinMarketCap homepage. Once the homepage loads, look at the top menu. On desktop, hover over the menu options to expand the navigation. On mobile, tap the menu icon to open the available options. From the menu, find Dashboards and select Bitcoin Dominance. After selecting Bitcoin Dominance, you will be taken to the dedicated Bitcoin Dominance page. Here, you can view the current Bitcoin dominance value along with a description of the metric. You can also access the available methodology and API information from this page if you need to review the data details. On the Bitcoin Dominance page, check the current dominance percentage. This value shows Bitcoin's share of the total cryptocurrency market capitalization. Scroll down to the chart section to view how Bitcoin dominance changes over time. Use the chart to review the movement and identify the overall trend. Check whether the dominance line is increasing or decreasing over different time periods. Continue reviewing the chart to monitor changes in Bitcoin's market share. Use the displayed data to compare different market movements. The Bitcoin dominance page allows you to track the current value and review historical changes through the chart. To continue monitoring Bitcoin dominance, return to CoinMarketCap, open the menu, navigate to Dashboards, and select Bitcoin Dominance again. Review the dominance value and chart whenever you want to check how Bitcoin's share of the cryptocurrency market is changing. Thank you for watching.